and welcome. Today, we're going to take a journey through a beautiful landscape that we will use to remember and readily recall a life-changing nugget of wisdom. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced. Rather than putting our head in the sand hoping a troubling concern will disappear, we want to be prepared, mentally and emotionally, to face and react to challenges. Our goal here is strengthen ability to be proactive with challenges. As you view this image, let's walk through it together and explore how you can tap into different areas of the image to represent the meaning of our wisdom nugget. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced. By practicing this exercise, you'll be able to easily remember this wisdom and use it in your everyday life. First, look at the large mountains in the image. Let's use these mountains to represent difficult challenges and obstacles we face in our lives. Now, just like real mountains, some challenges may be insurmountable. Let's use the mountains to represent the idea that not everything that is faced can be changed. Some things are simply beyond our control. Yet, we may still find alternative paths that address our challenges. Now, shift your focus to the river flowing through the landscape. This river symbolizes the constant flow of life, and it reminds us that life and time keep moving forward, whether we take action or not. By recognizing the value of time, we can make more meaningful choices and ensure that we are using our time wisely to create a fulfilling and purposeful life. Look at the start of the long, rugged path. You see two people standing there ready to begin their journey. They are thinking about the challenges they will face and are focused on tackling them. This starting point represents the moment we decide to face our obstacles with wise actions. When you choose to confront a challenge in your life, you may wish to picture yourself standing at the beginning of your own journey, ready to take the first step. Now, look at the center of the image, where you'll see a rainbow, cloud formations, and shadings of light. It almost looks like a glowing space portal that will help transport and ease the journey. The rainbow symbolizes hope and the promise of change. The image reminds us that every challenge starts with that first step. To make progress and to see change, we need to take action and face our challenges, no matter if they seem possible to change or not. Next, notice the path that winds through the landscape. This path represents our choices and the steps we take each day. It symbolizes the second part of our wisdom nugget. Nothing can be changed until it is faced. By choosing to walk the path, to face our challenges, we open life's door to growth and major life changes. Look as far as you can see down into the valley. You can't see it, but imagine beautiful flowering plants in bloom and amazing vistas surrounding you. Let these flowers represent the positive outcomes and growth that come from facing our challenges. The flowers and views that will be seen can remind you that even amidst difficulties, beauty, goodness, and progress can be found. In today's special wisdom exercise, we blended the power of visual imagery with a timeless piece of wisdom. However, it's important to remember the saying, use it or lose it. Regularly reviewing the wisdom visualization will help embed the wisdom deep in memory and strengthen your ability to use it in your life. To help embed wisdom, we created a mnemonic visualization that helps you access and use the wisdom message in your life. You can think of the image as a little memory trick, like sticky glue, making it easier for you to recall and apply this wisdom nugget in your daily life. Now let's turn that sticky glue into super glue. And that is, we turn initial memory to super sticky memory by first recognizing, number 1, understanding a nugget of wisdom is one thing. And number 2, embedding the wisdom message deep within your memory, so it's always accessible in both your conscious and subconscious mind, is another thing. To illustrate the difference between just knowing versus embedding, it's like knowing of a recipe versus being able to cook it from memory, or understanding a map versus being able to navigate without it, or learning a dance step versus performing it naturally. We'll explore a few ways to embed wisdom messages into your subconscious. The goal is to help make these wisdom messages an automatic response to life's challenges. Consider these tips for practicing and strengthening these wisdom messages so they become an automatic habits of thought. Practicing visualization deepens the wisdom message. Try practicing this visualization exercise at least 3 times during the first week. The more you practice, the more the visual symbols will help you deeply understand the wisdom nugget. Before long, when you face a challenge, this image will pop into your mind, guiding you to react wisely. Let's break wisdom practice down into 3 key steps to help you embrace and apply wisdom in your life. Step 1. Visualize the image. Close your eyes and picture each element of the image associated with the wisdom nugget. Step 2. Repeat the wisdom message. Recite the wisdom nugget in your mind as you visualize the image. Step 3. Apply it in life. Whenever you're in a situation that calls for wisdom, recall the appropriate image and the wisdom it represents. Let its message guide your actions and decisions. By practicing this visualization exercise regularly, you'll find it easier to recall and apply this powerful piece of wisdom in your daily life. So, no sense waiting around. Let's get started and embrace putting wisdom into action with courage and determination. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video on embedding wisdom in your life helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback really helps shape future videos. If you enjoyed this topic, be sure to check out related videos for more insights on living a wise and fulfilling life. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into something you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep growing in wisdom and living your best life. See you next time.